Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 benefits of culinary lavender. Number 1, stress relief. Culinary lavender is known to have a calming effect on the body and mind. It can help reduce stress and anxiety, and even promote relaxation and better sleep. Adding culinary lavender to your tea or using it as a seasoning in your food can help you de-stress and feel more relaxed. Number 2, anti-inflammatory properties. Culinary lavender contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with a wide range of health problems, including arthritis and cardiovascular disease. Number 3, digestive aid. Culinary lavender can also help aid digestion. It has been used for centuries to soothe digestive issues, such as bloating and gas. Adding a little lavender to your food can help improve digestion and reduce uncomfortable digestive symptoms. Number 4, immune booster. Culinary lavender contains antioxidants that can help boost your immune system. By fighting off harmful free radicals in the body, lavender can help keep your immune system strong and healthy. Number 5, flavor enhancer. Last but not least, culinary lavender is a fantastic flavor enhancer. It can add a subtle floral taste and aroma to your food and drinks, making them more interesting and unique. Lavender can be used in sweet or savory dishes, making it a versatile ingredient to add to your pantry. So those are the top 5 benefits of culinary lavender. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, boost your immune system, or add some flavor to your cooking, culinary lavender is a great ingredient to have on hand. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please keep in mind that this video is not intended as substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of a physician or other qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Follow us for more at The Food Glossary.